There, I'm June Connell with the June Bug Home Team at Keller Williams Realty here in Palm Harbor, Florida. And I have helped a number of families to downsize when the kids are grown and off to either college or on their own, married, their own kids. And now couples find themselves with a big 3,000, 4,000, 5,000 square foot home that they say, we just don't need this much space anymore. And even though some people kind of call me saying, yeah, we're ready to do this, they still have some hesitancies and they still have some unanswered questions. And so I put together basically the top 3 questions for you to ask yourself and to ask your partner, your spouse, and or your family, so that you all can determine whether or not you're on the same page and that you have the same goals in making this really big decision. So the very first decision to be made, or a question to be answered, I should say, is why do you want to downsize? Is it because you want a home that's easier to maintain, something smaller? Is it because you want to live closer to family? Perhaps for some people, there may be some health reasons why they decide they don't want to live in such a big home. They want something a little bit smaller. And some people just simply want to maximize the equity that they've gained in their home over these years. And so they just want out and they want to put some cash in the bank. So get clear about why exactly it is that you want to downsize. So that's question number 1. Question number 2 is, where are you going to go? So for some people, the answer is easy. They say, oh, well, my kids live in such and such, we're going to go move there. Maybe someplace still in the neighborhood, maybe in the county or the state. But for other people, it may be moving out of state completely. So get clear on where it is that you want to move to. And is it a 55 plus community? Is it a golf community? Perhaps it's an independent living community that has an assisted living component for down the road. I have just recently sold 3 properties, and that's where those owners were going, was to an independent living facility that had the assisted living option. So get clear about where it is that you want to go to, and be sure that you know the market that you're going to be going to, the real estate market you're going to be going to, because that will help to determine the timing of the sale of your current property, or even if the sale of your current property is necessary prior to purchasing in your new location. And a realtor and a good mortgage lender can help you make some of those decisions. So question number 1, why do you want to downsize? Question number 2, where are you going to go? And then the third question, and this is the one I think that really stops people in their tracks, is they're saying, who is going to help me make this move? Who is going to help me pack up this house that I have had for 20-something years and help me organize everything, throw things away, ship things to family that wants certain photos or maybe, a certain family memorabilia, right? How am I going to do all this? It feels really daunting. And so therefore, I'm just going to stay where I am, even though it no longer serves my lifestyle needs or my financial goals. So don't do that. If you have kind of outgrown your home in terms of lifestyle and in terms of what your financial goals are, we have people who can help you pack, organize, movers who will help with the move, even putting things in storage if you'd like. And then they also help unpack on the other side if it's a local move, and we can find somebody out of state if it's not a local move. So there are lots of resources that we have here at the June Bug Home Team that can help make that transition from your current home to a smaller place feel a little bit less overwhelming. In fact, our motto basically is we want the downsizing process to make you feel overjoyed, not overwhelmed. So if we can help you in any way, give us a call. Again, June Connell with the June Bug Home Team at Keller Williams Realty. I think I'm doing this right. And our number is 1-833-JUNE-BUG. Even if you just want to have an initial conversation, you've got a couple of questions, we are here to help you make an informed decision about when or whether to downsize. And we look forward to hearing from you. And thanks for watching.